Lesson number 21, amalgamation, doubling. This lesson has the usage of tashdid or mushaddad. A letter with this sign is doubled with pressure, as in English we have upper, in which letter P has a double pressurized sound, or from being it is bigger, redder, and so on. In Arabic it will abba, madda. Mushaddad is on ba and on dal. It is read twice with a forced action on the letter with mushaddad. Now read line 4 and 5 of this page. Mushaddad, fathah, mushaddad, kasrah, zammah, mushaddad, sukoon, two fathah, mushaddad, two kasrah, mushaddad, two zammah, maqsurah, mushaddad, maqsurah, inverted zammah, mad,